Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Did you accidentally delete an important note on your iPhone? Don't worry, I'm here to help you recover it quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, you open the Notes app on your iPhone. Tap the back arrow in the top left corner until you see the folder View. Find and tap on Recently Deleted. Browse through the recently deleted folder to find the note you want to recover. Tap Edit in the top right corner, then select the note you want to recover. Tap Move to at the bottom, then select the folder you want to move the note to, like your note folder. And that's it guys, your deleted notes have been successfully recovered. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more quick tips. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.